R.H. Whittaker's Five Kingdom Classification of Living Organisms. In the early years of the development of biology, the living organisms were broadly divided into two categories: animals and plants, in the perspective of the classification unit or taxon kingdom. But these two divisions were so limited to study the living beings. So after studying and researching a lot, it was the American biologist R.H. Whittaker who brought a revolution in the field of classification of living organisms in the year 1969. R.H. Whittaker divides the living organisms into five major kingdoms, which is the highest classification unit or taxon. On the basis of cell structure, mode and source of nutrition, and body organization or body structure. R.S. Whittaker's five kingdoms are: Kingdom Monera, Kingdom Protista, Kingdom Fungi, Kingdom Plantea or Plant Kingdom, Kingdom Animalia or Animal Kingdom. Kingdom Monera. Body structure unicellular. Cell structure prokaryotic cell. The cells are broadly divided into two: prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells, on the basis of the nature of nuclear membrane. The cell that contains nuclear membrane or cell center membrane, well defined and distinct, is called eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cells are found in the higher living beings, higher class living organisms. And the cell that doesn't contain any kind of membrane in the cell around the cell center, or the cell lacks nuclear membrane, is prokaryotic cell. For the kingdom Monera, body structure is unicellular. Living organisms under the kingdom Monera are unicellular. Cell structure is prokaryotic. Cell wall is present, but it is formed of polysaccharide and amino acid without cellulose or cellulose-less. Nuclear membrane is absent as prokaryotic cells. Mode of nutrition: autotrophic, chemosynthetic and heterotrophic, saprophytes and parasites. Bacteria are the only novel living organisms under this kingdom Monera. Now, kingdom Protista. Body structure is unicellular and also multicellular organisms. Cell structure is eukaryotic cells, that is, nuclear membrane is present. Cell wall is present in some organisms. Nuclear membrane is present. Mode of nutrition: autotrophic, and it is photosynthetic type of autotrophic, and heterotrophic also. Example: Euglena, Paramecium, etc. are the living organisms under kingdom Protista. Kingdom Fungi. Body structure multicellular, but tissue is absent. Cell structure eukaryotic cells. Cell wall is present but cellulose-less. Nuclear membrane is present. type of nutrition or mode of nutrition is heterotrophic, saprophytes and parasites. Example, fungus, mushrooms, etc. Kingdom Plantea, body structure, tissue and organs. Tissues and organs. Cell structure, eukaryotic cells. Cell wall is present and contains cellulose, or cell wall is cellulosal. Nuclear membrane is present. Body structure. Type of nutrition or mode of nutrition, autotrophic is autotrophic. It is photosynthetic type of autotrophic nutrition. Photosynthesis is the basic function in green plants. All the plants are classified under Kingdom Plantea. Kingdom Animalia, body structure, tissues, organs and organ system such as circulatory system, respiratory system, excretory system, reproductive system. These are organ systems found in higher class animals such as human beings, cows, dogs, tigers and all other higher class animals. Organs and tissues are other body structure organization. Cell structure is eukaryotic cells. Cell wall is absent. This is the basic difference between a plant cell or an animal cell. That a plant cell contains cell wall. On the other hand, an animal cell doesn't contain cell wall. Mode of nutrition. Mode of nutrition is heterotrophic. Example, all the animals, higher class animals and lower class animals, are classified under Kingdom Animalia or Animal Kingdom. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe and press the bell icon for regular updates.